Kabahay, meet Micaela model with a lot area of 176 square meters and floor area of 178.60 square meters. Tara, check natin ang ating property. Check natin ang property line ng ating Micaela model. So dito sa parking area mga kabahay, as you can see, maluwag po ito and kaya nito mag-accommodate up to 4 cars. Meron tayong pebble type na flooring and tiles. Welcome to Micaela model. So as you can see, this is the living area. Dining area. So it can fit up to 6 seaters dining table. May access tayo dito going to our lanay area. Here's the kitchen area mga kabahay. Merong kitchen countertop. And then this one naman is the sink area. And then meron tayo ditong space for your stove. May access tayo dito going to our utility area. So sa ground floor, meron tayong storage area under the staircase. And meron tayong powder room. Bedroom number 1 here at the ground floor. So compared to other bedrooms and model, malaki po ang bedroom number 1 sa ating ground floor. So kung kayo po ay may elders, pwede sila dito. And ang good thing, meron tayo ditong sariling toilet and bath. So the staircase area, it is made of wood and concrete. May fixed window tayo on the side. And then this is the bedroom number 1. So sa bedroom number 1, kasya po dito up to double size bed. Bedroom number 2. So same as bedroom number 1, kasya po dito ang double size bed. This is the shared toilet and bath here at the second floor. Let's check the master's bedroom here at the second floor. So dito sa ating master's bedroom, makikita nyo kasya dito ang double size at queen size bed. And ang good thing, another bathroom ang available dito sa ating master's bedroom. So dito sa second floor ay meron tayong access papunta sa ating mini balcony. This is the space naman for your family room and may access again ito papunta sa ating bigger balcony area. Ikaw ba ay napaibig kay Micaela model? Please send us a message to book your treatings. This is Von Tapawan of Exosia Properties. Just leave a message at 0916-518-4710. Thank you for watching, kabahay.